traits in a girl do you find attractive or impressive aside from her physical appearance, guys? 1. One of the main reasons I started dating my current girlfriend was because she accidentally spilled popcorn in my car after our first date. Profusely apologized, asked if she could clean it up. My car is a piece of crap, so I didn't care. Got home. She texted me apologizing again. I don't know why, but her caring about spilling popcorn in my crappy car made me realize, hey, maybe she can care about me too. 2. Accountability. If she can openly admit when she's wrong or that she effed up, that's attractive, as it shows maturity and ability to judge yourself impartially, and it means you are less likely to repeat the mistake. This also means what you feel for her is not only love, it's respect, which is just as important. 3. Went on a date last week and the woman never took her phone out of her purse. Super hot. 4. My wife laughs at literally everything. Sometimes she watches a show on her laptop in our room and I hear her cracking up from down the hall. Absolutely love it.